We're going to Disneyland, and I'm going to show you how to walk to the Toy Story lot from the convention center area. We're going to be starting our walk over here by the convention center. You can stay at the Hilton, the Marriott, the Clarion, any of these hotels in this area. You are near the Toy Story parking lot, which is Disney property, and we're going to walk towards it. It's a very quick walk. It's an easy walk. There's lights, there's crosswalks, and you do go through this major intersection. But once you cross the street here, you're going to be on Disney property and headed towards security and to the buses that are going to get you to the front of Disneyland and Disney's California Adventure. When I was filming this video, it is very early in the morning. The park opens at 8 a.m. and you can see the cars across the way. They're getting ready to go into the Toy Story parking lot. And we're going to be headed over there and joining them in the security line and in the bus line to get ourselves over to the front of the park. The major intersection that we just crossed over is the only major walking and major intersection that you'll go through on your walk over here. Once you make it to this sidewalk, you're just going to keep walking. You'll follow the sidewalk. You'll follow the walking paths. And once you get past these hedges, you're going to see that there is the parking lot, and you'll be able to see the Disneyland sign and the buses. Once you make it to this point, you're going to just follow the sidewalk, and again, we're trying to make our way to the buses. This parking lot's going to fill up, and by the end of the day, if you choose to come back during midday, this parking lot's going to look a lot different. It's not going to be as empty, but you're going to follow this exact same path back. I am going to speed this up, and we're going to make our way over to the buses. And you're going to be looking for the Disneyland sign and for the bus area. And then once you get over here, you're going to follow the sidewalk and you're going to make your way through security. And then you're going to be directed over to the buses. I want to stop and pause here and show you that those are the hotels. That's the Hilton, that's the Marriott. That's where we came from, the convention center area over there. That's where we came from, and that's how far away they look. It's not really that far. Now a quick trip through security, and then we're going to make our way over to the buses. Cast members are there to direct you, to tell you which way you're going. Everybody that is here at this Toy Story lot is going to the same location, which is the front entrance to the Disneyland park and to Disney's California Adventure. Also, it will take you to guest services and downtown Disney, as well as the 3 Disneyland hotels and resorts. This bus service is free. It doesn't cost anything. You do not have to be staying at a hotel or resort, and you do not have to have a park ticket to even get to this point and be on Disney property and utilize the bus services. The buses are air conditioned or heated, whichever time of the year you're there. And they are spacious. They do have seats. You can stand. They are handicap accessible as well. Depending on the time of the day, you may get very lucky and be able to walk right onto a bus, but there might be other times of the day, depending on crowd levels, that you may be waiting for buses, but they are pretty quick. They do have lots of buses in service for those high times when there are a lot of guests utilizing the bus services. I also want to make note that from this area or from the convention center area, it is a very easy walk as well. Maybe a 15 to 20 minute walk to the parks, and the bus ride to me is just a time to sit down, get yourself together, and just kind of group and get ready for the day before you head into the park. And because once you get there, it's like you're going, and this bus ride is like kind of your last ditch effort of getting it all together. That's my opinion. But the walk is very nice. The walk is very easy. But this is to show you how to utilize the bus services. And in all honesty, I just love sitting back and watching. I mean, there's Guardians. I love to see the backside of everything. So I enjoy the bus. We've officially made it onto park property, so we are very close to the Disney parks at this point and downtown Disney. We're going to go and loop around. This is the drop-off and the pickup area for the Toy Story lot. There are signs that will guide you to the parks, and when you're coming back, there are signs that will guide you to the buses. 5 minutes, 50 seconds, almost 51 seconds it took for us to get here. That's the bus ride versus the walk at about 15 to 20 minutes, depending on how fast you walk. But the bus ride, all in all, is a wonderful experience, and it doesn't take that long. So now we're headed towards the entrance of the parks. We do not have to go through security because we already did so. And now we're free to go get in line for the parks. The other pathway over there where you see people walking, that's the walkers. So they came in or they took another transportation to get here, and you're dropped off on the other side. So just letting you know, it's all the same entrance. And when you're choosing to go home later in the day, this is where you're going to go. And again, there's signs that say Toy Story lot this way, street walking to the other side. And here you can see we are here in front of Disneyland and Disney's California Adventure. And we can choose to go to get in our line or go to downtown Disney. When you're coming here from the buses, Disneyland is to your right, Disney's California Adventure to your left, and downtown Disney straight ahead. There's also guest relations, and that's over there straight ahead as well. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to put them down in the chat and I'll do my best to answer. But let me know if this video was helpful to you or if there's something else you'd like to see about Disneyland. Until next time, I'll see you later.